got my springs for the Supra already. So today we'll be lowering it and being conveniently at, where I work at. So as he's doing that, I'm gonna be working and probably just try to get some clips of it, because then there's gonna be loud with music anyways. Can't really record in there, but I'll do that, get some clips of it, and then show like before and after of how it looks. And then yes, it'll probably be a quick video. It's just a little update on the Supra. I hope that the spring like helps me drive the car better, if that makes sense, because I'm a front wheel drive guy and then I have an all wheel drive daily. But like this rear wheel drive feels kind of weird, going fast or whatever the case is. So hopefully the springs being lower, like center of gravity and everything, hopefully it feels better driving and not so like, I don't know how to explain it. If you ever never driven a rear wheel drive car and then all of a sudden have to drive it every single day, it's definitely like a interesting switch. So I'll see how that goes. All right, so the day is over and oh shit, I hate this automatic stop start bullshit, but the day is over and I end up doing the suspension, and that's cool and all. But then since the exhaust was like, I looked it up, it's like so simple to do, I just quickly had him do the exhaust also, being that the car was jacked up and everything. And this just sounds like a fucking like AK-47 tuned GTI or some shit. Like, I'm gonna see if I can get you guys a sound clip. I'm gonna put it in sports mode. I'm gonna roll the window down. I'm gonna downshift. I'm step on it a little bit, and then I'll like let off. Like, honestly, it's way too much for me. So I'm gonna put it back in comfort mode so it doesn't pop that much. But that's crazy. It does sounds really nice. It sounds very aggressive. It's not tuned or anything yet. I'm gonna get an intake. Well, surprise, I have like pretty much full bolt-ons for the car already. I picked up an exhaust, an intake, charge pipes, and like a harness bar for underneath the engine bay, and a duck bill. I think I said that one already. But yeah, so pretty much the budget bill is going good. It is in the budget technically. I didn't expect to be 1 week in having fucking already full bolt-ons. All I'm really missing is the tuner, and then decide if I'm gonna go E85 or not. But slowly but surely I'm gonna just put the parts on a little bit by little bit, and I have the downpipes already. So I think I'm gonna put the downpipe last. I'm gonna wait till I get the tuner to put the downpipe. But so far the exhaust sounds crazy. I wasn't going to get an exhaust because the stock exhaust is pretty loud, and then the deal came up and I got the exhaust. So here I am with a fucking machine gun driving in the streets. But I give you guys, I have some exhaust clips from the shop. I'm gonna like insert those soon. This is the height lowered. It's pretty good height. Like, I never liked the Supra front ends per se, but every time you lower it, it just looks so much better. I don't know if I'll put spacers in the back or not, or I'll just keep it like that to like ensure I don't rub. But for now, it's like, it's okay. I'm not too upset about it. But soon the Supra is lowered, it just looks so much better to me. I have the carbon duck bill for it, like I said, and I'll probably put that on tomorrow or something. And maybe in the meantime, before I wrap the car, I'll probably wrap the fender piece, the little swoopy thingy, and probably call it a day with that. Probably redo the roof. It came wrapped, but I don't like it. They did a good job in it, but I just don't like it. But the back is supposed to drop 1.7 inches, and the front I think is like 1.2. It looks pretty good. It's not bad. I know I can fit a mini setup back there still, and so I'm pretty happy with that. The rear is just a single exit Tomei. That's how it looks. I'll probably polish up the tip on the other. But it's pretty good. Whoever had it before already cut out. It wouldn't need it to be cut out. It looks like it's already burning a little bit, but it's okay. I'll let it like naturally burn off. But sounds crazy on the streets.